everybody. I wanted to record this video and announce exciting news that the Search Query Performance Report is finally available through the API, which means that you can download into your Google Sheets or wherever your data you get. So, my name is Nandan. I'm with Stellar Labs. I've sold $80 billion on Amazon. If you like it, click subscribe to our channel. But basically, we have. Amazon has announced in February that they have made the Search Query Performance Report available, and so we've been working hard to get that available and reliable to our team. So right now, what is the Search Query Performance? So Search Query Performance Reports, you could go to Seller Central. If you have your own brand, you go into Brand Analytics, and then you click Search Analytics and click Search Query Performance. If you own the brand, this is only if you have brand registry, that you can click and look at the brand, and then you can see that for a particular brand, you can see the keywords that are high for like the ranking for the keyword and the volume for that keyword and what your brand share is. So basically, it's a funnel to see impressions, clicks, and purchases, add to carts and purchases for your particular keywords for your brand. So that's really helpful data if you're trying to build up the brand. So this is the brand view, and then you can search it by the ASIN, in particular ASIN, and then report range and so on and so forth. Well, previously this was only available through Seller Central, but recently Amazon made that available through the API. And so we have been working hard to get it to connect to the API. And right now it is only available in beta form for our customers. So if you are interested in getting this in the API, please contact our customer success team and let them know you'd like to subscribe. The reason we're not downloading for everybody is because this is broken down by ASIN, and then there can be hundreds of keywords. They don't have it by brand currently, but they can have hundreds of keywords per ASIN per week. If we download for every brand, it would overwhelm our system and bring our reports down. So that's why it's only a limited beta basis. So contact customer success if you'd like to get it. So how you get to the data though is once you contact customer success and our developers have added the brand that you want. For example, mine is like Wildflower Tools, to the report downloader. So within a day or two, you can go into this AI Query Builder, and AI Query Builder is our app that allows you to query your data on using MySQL. You can query through all these reports, but the one we're interested in here is the Search Query Performance. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click Select All. And what this app does is from this data in the table, it actually asks ChatGPT to write the MySQL query for you so that it is in the correct format, so it brings back the data here. Once you get the data here, you can copy and paste it to a Google Excel sheet like this and start using it, so that way you don't have to go download the report every time. However, there are other ways like we have with the Data Hub products. What it allows you to do is if you're subscribed if you have this access to this Data Hub product in our Profit Genius group, then you can use this with a MySQL connector. You can connect it to other places like Looker Studio and anywhere that you can connect using MySQL connector. And also we have an app called the Stellar Labs Google Sheets extension that you can connect here. And what that does is, let me clear this out and show you that once you have the query in the AI Query Builder here, you can select it, and I'll copy here. And then once you open the Sheets connector here, this is the Google Sheets extension for Data Hub. You can connect. Once you connect to your accounts, and there's a whole process to connect to your accounts here, but once you connect it, you can enter that SQL query from the AI Query Builder, and you just insert that. And what that does is it writes this function for you. So it's the equal signs SL query function, and then all it does is it pastes that query, and sure enough, that query allows you to bring back the data into a Google Sheets, so that way you can have the data as fresh every day, so you don't have to download that. So that's, I wanted to kind of touch upon that so you can see that the search query performance data is now available through the API. If you'd like more information about that, reach out to our customer successful. All right, and that's it for this video, and I hope you have a great one.